Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to play Brawl Stars on Windows 11. It's easier than you might think to bring your favorite mobile brawler to the big screen. We'll walk through each step, ensuring you can enjoy the fast-paced action with improved controls and stunning visuals. Get ready to dominate the arenas from the comfort of your PC. This guide is designed to be straightforward and helpful for everyone, so let's dive right in and get you gaming. To get Brawl Stars running on your computer, the best approach is to use an Android emulator. Think of it as having a virtual Android phone right inside your Windows 11 system. These powerful tools allow you to download and run almost any mobile application seamlessly. Popular and reliable options include BlueStacks, Nox Player, and LD Player, all of which offer excellent performance and user-friendly interfaces. Choosing one of these will be your first step towards epic battles. Once you've picked your emulator, the installation process is quite simple. First, download and install it from its official website. After installation, launch the emulator and sign in with your Google account, just like setting up a new Android device. Then, open the Google Play Store within the emulator, search for Brawl Stars and hit Install. In just a few moments, the game will be ready to launch, bringing all the fun directly to your desktop. To ensure the best possible gaming experience, a few tweaks can make a big difference. Head into your emulator's settings and consider allocating more RAM and CPU cores if your system allows. Customizing your keybinds to suit your playstyle will also greatly enhance your control. Always keep your graphics drivers updated for smooth visuals, and for competitive online play, a stable wired internet connection is highly recommended. Enjoy your enhanced Brawl Stars adventures.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.